In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Zoho CRM, an incredibly useful feature for streamlining your email communications and keeping your messaging consistent. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step so you can make the most of this powerful tool. First, we need to access the template section, which is where all the magic happens. To begin, navigate to the setup area of your Zoho CRM. From there, proceed to customization, then templates, and finally, select email. This path takes you exactly where you need to be to create and manage your email templates efficiently. Once you arrive at the email section, you'll want to click on the plus New Template button to start creating. At this point, Zoho will prompt you to choose the relevant module for your template. Depending on your needs, this could be leads, contacts, or deals. Select the one that fits your requirements and click Next to proceed. Now comes the creative part, the design of your template. Zoho offers you flexibility with three main ways to build your templates. For those of you who prefer to start with a blank canvas, you can choose to create your template from scratch. This involves using a drag-and-drop method where you can place components like text blocks, images, tables, and even dynamic merge fields exactly where you want them. Go ahead and fill in the template's name and subject, and when you're satisfied with how everything looks, save your template. If you're inclined towards pre-designed options, Zoho also has a gallery of layouts to choose from. Take the time to explore the variety, and once you find one that aligns with your brand's aesthetics, you can easily customize it. What's great about this option is that you can preview how the template will appear on both mobile and desktop to ensure it looks polished across all devices. Alternatively, if you have specific design skills or a pre-made design, another option is to insert your custom HTML. By choosing Insert HTML Code, Plain Text, you can paste HTML directly into the template editor. Once your code is inserted, don't forget to save your progress. With your template designed, it's important to see how it will perform in the real world. Click the Preview feature to view your template on both mobile and desktop formats. This step is crucial as it helps you catch any design issues or formatting quirks. To truly ensure everything functions as intended, send a test email. You can send this test to up to 5 recipients, giving you a clear insight into how the email will look when received by others. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional email template ready to go, ensuring you communicate with your audience efficiently and professionally. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful as you create your templates in Zoho CRM.